If creating the content is a problem for your online business, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you AI tools to help you create content fast. Let's get started. First is the keywords everywhere for bloggers and YouTube content creation. We'll look into VidIQ, but I'll get to that in a minute. So let's go back to keywords everywhere. So this is good for keywords research. It's just $10 for 100,000 credits, which is what I'm using. And I'll show you how it works. So for instance, if I want to search for affiliate marketing, before even I finish typing, it's telling me that right now affiliate marketing gets 135,000 search every month with up to $3.37 click-through rate. And these are the numbers. So when you look into it, see, affiliate marketing for Amazon 6,600. So compared to Ahrefs, this is good, but it's very pricey. Let me show you quick. So check it out. So for Lite, it's $99 a month. For standard, $199, advanced $399, and enterprise $999. And just for SEO. And even after this, there's no guarantee that you're gonna rank high or what, which we all know that with Google it takes time, right? But this is too expensive for beginners. So if you are in the game already and you are making some money, yeah, this is good because you have a whole bunch of tools. But for a beginner, I would advise you to look into this. It's good for blogging and for YouTube video research. But specifically for YouTube, that is where VidIQ comes in, which is $10. So if you don't have it, I would advise you to look into it. I'll leave the link in the description box. And one thing about VidIQ, as you can tell, YouTube automation, how to use Medium and stuff like that. All right, but in this case, we're gonna search for affiliate marketing. So let's see, affiliate marketing is a bit high. It's too competitive. For you to rank, you need to add more keywords like affiliate marketing for beginners. Let's click on that. So this is not bad, but you just have to play with the keywords more. And Amazon affiliate marketing, if you have both keywords, it's helpful. 2 million plus searches in a month. After you've done your research and you've come out with your keywords, if you don't know how to write the content, I would advise you to check out Jasper AI. It's gonna help you to write your content. And sometimes, trust me, they write better than the freelancers, because with freelancing on an Upwork, they are very expensive. Jasper has different prices. This is a great tool I would advise you to look into. And the way it works, after you register and you log in, yeah, this is where you're gonna end up at. And let's say you want to create a content, you can create social media content, website, blog content for ads, Google ranking content, video, especially for YouTube. So let me show you quick. All the stuff that I'm showing you, I have tutorial on most of them. So how to create your Jasper AI account, tutorial, and how to write a script for your YouTube video. So next is Pictory AI for video generation. So this is really good if you are into YouTube cash cow channels or YouTube automation partially. And this is what I use to create videos for my other channels. And by the way, I have a review on it and I show you how to use it. And check this video out and you understand it better. I'll drop the link in the description as well. So let's get back to it. You have script to video, article to video, edit videos using text, visuals to video, but I use script to video a lot. So all you got to do is just click on it, give it a name. Don't worry, this will not show on your video. And after you type in, then you copy your text, then you drop it here. So after generating your text with Jasper, you just have to copy and just come back here and drop it. So when you drop it, then you click on process and it will generate the videos for you. Then when the videos are generated, the next thing you need is your voiceover. So you're gonna use Mirth AI to generate your voiceovers, and I have tutorial on it too. I'll show you quick. So I have tutorials on it. The voices, you have to check it out. Oh man, the voices are so good, close to human voices, and I have tutorial on it, and also the templates that you can use, because everything is programmed already for you. So this is something you can look into. So these two, they go together, Pictory AI and Mirth AI. They are really, really good. All right. And the next thing I will advise you to look into is Descript. This tool has helped me a lot to edit my videos fast. That's why of late I've been pumping videos like crazy. So unless I don't want to do it, then that's fine. But what I do is I record my videos with Filmora because I'm used to Filmora so much. But you can do screen recording with this. But I'm not so much into doing screen recording with this right now. As you can tell, screen recording, so you can do podcasting, video editing, screen recording, and transcription. This is the best AI machine so far on the market. And the way it works, let me show you quick. You have to create a folder, import your video in here. It's gonna take 3 to 5 minutes to transcribe your video into text. Then instead of editing your videos, you'll be editing your text. All right, so let's say if I don't want this whole text here, I'll just highlight and delete it. So when I highlight and delete it, it's gonna delete that portion of the video from here, but I don't want to do that right now. It works so fast, and you can do like a pop-ups and all that, but I prefer when I'm done, then I'll download and I'll bring it back to my Fedora, or you can use OBS, which is free. Then I'll add like pop-ups and stuff that I want to do, even though I can use this, but this one I'm not so used to the platform, but it's really good. The purpose of me using this platform is to help me edit videos fast. Oh my goodness, 10 times faster than my normal video editor. Now the next thing I would advise you to get is Canva. Like you all know, like after recording your YouTube videos, you need to create thumbnails, and the way it works, you're just gonna click, let's say, YouTube thumbnails. And by the way, this is free, you can check it out. All right, then after, let's say I want this guy, so you can edit whatever you want. If I don't want this, I'll just delete it, bring it, click on this and just type it like whatever you want. For instance, AI tools, and let's say I don't want this, I'll delete this one. Then I'll drag it here. The color, I'll change it to yellow as well, just so it's gonna stand out. I'll change the font to this, and I can make it bigger, or you can reduce the size, and it's drag and drop, so you can just move it to the middle. And let's say I don't want this guy, I can right click and just delete it and go here like elements and type in AI Tool, enter. So they have pro and free. When you don't see pro, that means it's free. So in your case, let's say you want to use free, so I will move this a little bit here and I'll drag the text, then I'll just drag this guy, put it here. Or if you want, let's say in my case I have the pro version, so I can drag this and put it here. I like the pro versions because all these images, it makes your thumbnail stand out. All right, then if you are satisfied with all this, go up here. You can add more text if you want. Then you go up here, then you optimize the text for SEO. So you're gonna have to optimize the text really good when you are done. And by the way, this saves by itself because it's cloud-based program. Then you click on this and you click on download, click download again, but I don't want to download it, just to show you. So these are the AI tools I would like you to look into. I'll drop the links in the description. They're gonna make your life better. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel.